Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube live with me Kshitij on Shoot Guru. I'm just kidding. You are actually watching the review of the most compact switcher that I came across lately that allows me to go live onto multiple platforms. And I'm talking about a device that is an encoder, a monitor, a switcher and a recorder all in one. This is the YoloBox. This compact switcher is one of the most amazing monitors that I've come across. Well, it allows me not only to view the streams that are coming in, but also to go live using the device itself. By pressing on the kind of inputs that I have the HDMI 1, HDMI 2, a USB pen drive, an SD card, or even the live stream itself. You can also select the PIP video, which is enabled from within the device, in which you can have multiple screens as PIPs and of course have that as a switchable screen. Since the last upgrade on the firmware, this has become a very intuitive interface. It allows me to switch between screens at ease and also allows me to set various parameters like audio from HDMI or even having images played back as slideshows. There are a number of platforms that you can already set to go live on or have a custom URL. For example, you can log into your YouTube, your Facebook or your Twitch, or even customize your stream by scheduling a stream on any of these platforms and then using the stream key and running it over here. It comes with a dedicated line in and a line out, which allows you to monitor sound and even give outputs of what is being recorded onto the switcher. The best bit is that this is a touch screen and allows me to switch between screens or options at ease. Well, it can go live in full HD or 720p that allows you to select the resolution that you want to broadcast. The device is compatible across a lot of devices like cameras, smartphones, SD cards or even RTMP pulls. Another very amazing thing is that it can connect via 3 different types of connections. Ethernet, which is my personal favorite and the highest possible speed that you can give to this device, SIM card and even Wi-Fi. So you can actually go live remotely in locations where you get 4G data. The YoloBox comes with a built-in battery that gives you more than 3 hours of backup. I've actually tested up to go for 3 hours 15 minutes non-stop. With the 2 HDMI inputs, you can either have multiple camera inputs or even mix it with your presentation. My personal favorite is the picture-in-picture mode, which allows me to present and talk to my audience at the same time whenever I am doing my workshops online. Well, another amazing thing is if you're doing a live for yourself or your clients, you can have graphic layers like your logos or even have some content published onto the live itself using the SD card or the pen drive. All in all, this is not just a box that takes your videos live, but also, in my opinion, it is also the most compact, affordable touchscreen switcher that you can have for any of your live sessions. So if you are somebody who's doing live for yourself or for your clients, this is your go-to option, which is hassle-free, ultra high quality, and packed with a lot of features.